At COOLAIR Products, we developed AC SmartSeal Quick Shot with professionals in mind. It's the only product on the market that's 3-in-1, with sealant, lubricant, and UV dye all in a single application. It's non-toxic, non-flammable, 100% safe to the touch, eco-friendly, and compatible with all refrigerants. Plus, it's polymer-free, which means it won't crystallize or clog system components. This short video will show you how easy SmartSeal is to use. There are 3 different ways to insert the SmartSeal product depending on the pressure in the HVAC unit. For pressure less than 130 psi, all you need is the SmartSeal cartridge and one of the Quick Connect adapters. For pressure greater than 130 psi, you can either use the SmartSeal Reusable Injector Hose with your manifold, or you can use our new Smart Adapter Hose. Let's walk through all 3 methods. To start, turn the AC on and set it to the lowest setting. If you're using a heat pump, make sure it's in cooling mode. For low pressure situations less than 130 psi, all you need is the SmartSeal cartridge and adapter. There are 2 sizes, 1/4 inch and 5/16. Take the adapter, screw it on the end of the cartridge. Hook the adapter to the low side valve. Inject the sealant by pushing the plunger. That's it. You can inject SmartSeal by hand, unlike other products which require a caulk gun for pressure over 40 psi. Use the SmartSeal Reusable Injector Hose for pressure over 130 psi. It comes in the SmartSeal Kit, and you only need to buy it once. After that, you just need to buy the refill cartridges, saving you about 50% of the cost. Take the cartridge and remove the cap on the tip. Screw the cartridge into the fitting on the side of the smaller end of the hose. Make sure you are holding the hose vertically so the air can escape. Now, press the plunger and inject the liquid into the reusable injector hose. Once you insert the liquid, check valves keep the product in the hose. This is where you have a choice. You can use your manifold or the Smart Adapter Hose. Use your manifold with the high pressure side connected. Screw the filled reusable injector hose into the low pressure service port, then connect the low pressure side of the manifold. Now use your gauges to adjust the pressure and push the SmartSeal into the AC system. The third option is to use the Smart Adapter Hose. Screw the filled reusable adapter hose into the low-pressure service port of the AC system. Then, attach one end of the Smart Adapter Hose to the high-pressure port of the AC system. Purge air out of the hose. Then connect the other end of the hose to the reusable adapter hose. Release the valve on this end, and the pressure will inject the SmartSeal into the AC system. Run the system for 30 minutes after injecting SmartSeal. The SmartSeal sealant will circulate through the system and find and seal pinhole leaks. This will also prevent future leaks. The SmartShot Cool Enhancer will bring the unit back to maximum efficiency, dissolving sludge buildup on bearings and valves and reducing vibration and noise. After 30 minutes, inspect the system. If larger leaks are identified, use AC SmartSeal External to seal holes up to 5 millimeters. Once you've checked with the UV light and the system is tight, refill the unit with more refrigerant. It's as easy as that. Our customers appreciate how safe SmartSeal is to use. It's non-toxic, non-flammable, safe to the touch, with no dangerous fumes. SmartSeal is also 100% green. All of our packaging is recyclable, and, unlike other products, there's no hazardous waste. With the SmartSeal Reusable Injector Hose, you just need to buy the refills. These SmartSeal products are must-have truck stock items. SmartSeal Refills. Remember, SmartSeal is polymer-free and won't react to air and moisture. You don't have to worry that it will crystallize on the truck. The SmartSeal Reusable Injector Hose. This comes in the AC SmartSeal Kit, and you only need to buy it once, which means big savings for you. Our new Smart Adapter Hose, which is also reusable, and SmartSeal External, always good to have on hand for larger holes up to 5 millimeters. There's also a 2-ounce SmartSeal cartridge for commercial units. Our customers love SmartSeal. It's a safe solution option, backed by years of R&D, intertek tested, and has sealed millions of leaks. AC SmartSeal, the professional's choice.